Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to dismantle the rear light on the Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit or Silver Spur. So we open the boot, and as you will see behind the light, there's a panel here held by two screws. So we're gonna be using a big screwdriver tip Phillips, and we're gonna be removing those two screws. Now that I've removed the screws, let's pull that the upper part towards us, okay, and the lower part we raise it, okay, and now it's off. Okay, as you can see at the back, it's held with this. Okay, we're gonna now be using two spanners of 8. So I've got a flat spanner here, and I've got this one. As you can see, I've got it a bit longer, because if I've just got it like that, it's not long enough. Okay, so you will need at least that distance to access the headlight. Okay, I will try to show you now what we need to remove. As you can see, there's one here. Okay, there's another one there, another one here. Okay, so we need to remove all of them. Now that you have removed the 3 inside, the 4th one is here, behind the rubber. You'll find it here. Okay, now that we have removed everything, this should come off very easily. We just pull it out, and now we have all the wiring at the back. So I don't advise you to disconnect the cables. I advise you to remove the entire bulb holder. So we turn it slightly to the right, and it comes out. Okay, I see like this, and we remove the 3. Okay, and now we have it. Okay, so why I advise you to leave the bulb holder and not to remove the cables? Well, because as you can see, all the fittings are all the same, and if we disconnect everything, might be a problem to know what goes where after. Okay, so if really you need to disconnect everything, I suggest that either you take a photo, that way you will know exactly what goes where, but if not, you just put a label on each cable and you know where it goes. Okay, now to fit it back, well, it's exactly the same thing. We're just gonna fit back the bulb holder, and we put it in place, and you know, the nuts, etc., and it's all done. Quite an easy job. Okay, so now it's all done for me. We'll see you on the next video. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video that I've shown you and you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. And if you feel like it, you can leave me a comment as well. Well, see you on the next video.